everyone, Sarah back again today for Mercy Tiara Kits, and I am using the Smile Kit. Those are the two pictures I'm going to use. They're of a past birthday for one of my littles, and I decided I wanted to use a big number, and so I thought I was going to hand draw it. I mean, it was horrible. So I got some of my dies out, and I'm tracing around them to make a big number 8 for her, for her past birthday. I just thought it'd be cute to have it on the layout. I don't know if I've ever really done that. So plus this gives me some ideas for, the one that just recently passed. So yeah. Anyways, I went ahead and cut that out, roughed up the edges. Kind of hate that I roughed up the edges to start out with, because I'm going to, do something here in a minute, and it's going to cause it's an issue that I had roughed up the edges already. Plus, we got this cute stuff with our kit, and so I wanted to use it as well. There is my acetate from my stash, and this is what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and glue this down, but it didn't want to touch because I had roughed up all the edges, so it was all sticking up already. And so here I remembered to flatten this piece down with my fingernail, so this one sticks a little bit better. So I cover both pieces up. I did a bunch of things backwards on this layout. And you'll see here in a minute. So I went ahead and cut the extra pieces off. I'm buffing out the acetate, making sure there's no glue or anything on it. And I'm putting my 3D foam around the outside of this 8. I do cut a piece to go in the center so that it's not just moving back and forth all the way. So if it's sitting upright in a layout or in an album or something, it's not all dropping completely to the very bottom part of the 8. But this is what I do. I go ahead and I use my little dusty thing there so things don't, or anti-static tool. And then I dump them inside of it and I take the covering off the adhesive. And so you saw me there for a second, just pause, like I realized I did something stupid. So I poured more in it, and then I'm like, hey, I'm just going to flip the paper over. So it worked. So not a huge deal. It worked, but it would have made it a lot easier if I would have put it on the layout itself and then put the 8 over the top of it. But I can't ever do anything the easy way. So I stuck some foam on the back of one of my photos, and then I'm going to stick this next to the 8 because I'm wanting to add a little more behind the photos. I love this stuff. It's too cute. I love the little pom-poms. And I want to use on these sheets, there's these adorable little gold stars. I'm going to use all of those that are on there. So I went ahead and looked through to see, and then I'm going to use another part of this. I love this paper. It's gorgeous. It's probably one of my favorites. But I'm going to put this behind my photos. She looks so happy. Just a big old smile while she got her cake sitting there in front of her. So I added some glue to the foam, and then I'm going to tape this down so it makes it uneven, and I wanted it like that. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this under, which it's not a big deal because the photo is going to be popped up anyways, so it still works. I went ahead and glued the pom-pom stuff down below, and I'm going to stick the photos down. And this layout actually came together really fast, even with all my mess ups. So I added the glue there, and now I'm going to grab all of these gorgeous embellishments. I'm just going to kind of dig through and see what I decide I'm going to use. Because going into this, I had absolutely no plan other than I wanted to use a big number 8 for her past birthday. And so, yeah, I'm going in and I'm digging out some of the flowers, and I use that rainbow paper makes it so easy to use whatever color you want in the layout. So I'm just grabbing little bits of the flowers here and there. I love the tealy colored leaves as well. So I'm going ahead and adding some of those in, and everything moves and slides, which is fine because I'm going to have to pick everything up and adhere it back down. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to stick where. And I knew I wanted more leaves over here. Excuse me. And so I stuck those down. Well, I haven't stuck those down. I grabbed the stars and I started sticking those down. And then in here, I'm just going to go under, and as always, I'm just kind of gluing towards the end. I don't usually glue anything down fully or flat. So I'm just kind of putting the little bit of glue at the ends and then pushing them down, just making sure they stay a little bit, moving pieces back out where I want them. Let's see, what else do I do here? Oh, I'm looking for a sticker. So in some of these, nope, not that one. I'm going to go over them and I'm going to look at them, but I don't use any more of these. I use the cardstock stickers that are right behind that one. Yep, there we go. So there's these cake stickers on there, and I thought, hey, why not? It's cute. It's her, it's her birthday. There's a picture with her and a cake, so I'm going to use those. And then I'm reading like the word stickers at the bottom, and I realized there's one that says "Today I am," and it's cute and pink. And that's the other side of those stickers. So I grab that and I stick it on top of the 8. So yeah, that's pretty much this layout. I really hope that you enjoyed this. Thanks for listening to me yabber. Make sure to check out the Facebook group, all the links below. And I hope that you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.